Hi there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about shame and how this shame spiral that happens in marketing, and it goes like this. We feel ashamed about marketing. Of course we do. God, look at all the stereotypes of the sketchy salesperson and marketer. We don't want to do it. It's the kind of reluctant job we have. It's the thing we do because we have to do. And because we feel ashamed of marketing, we want to hide it. We'd like to do it without people knowing that we're doing it. And thus, we get hooked by these ads saying stealth marketing, ninja marketing, top secret, covert, hidden, the secret this and the silent that, and invisible this and invisible that. We like that idea. It appeals to us. Oh my God, could my marketing be invisible? Nobody would really notice it's happening. And there is a level where I actually agree marketing should be invisible or natural. But when it comes from this place of shame, we try to hide that we're doing it. And so the more we hide it, the more sketchy we become. This is the strange thing. We're ashamed because we don't want to do a sketchy thing. But the covert hidden agendas, the veiled intentions that we bring, are what make it sketchy. That's what creepiness is. Sliminess is objectifying people. But creepiness is having a veiled intention. So it's a strange thing, hey? Don't want to be creepy, so we try to hide what we're doing, and in so doing creep people out, and then we feel more shame. Oh my God. Because every once in a while we'll get feedback. Somebody will say, oh, that felt really uncomfortable. And boy, it doesn't take much of that to just crater us. Now we're more ashamed. Aha, I'm doing something shameful. That must be the reason. I'm feeling ashamed, so I gotta get better, more covert. I gotta hide it better. And so we push it deeper down. But of course, this makes people even more uncomfortable, or us uncomfortable. Because there's something out of integrity about doing something that you know is wrong. So of course what I'm suggesting is there's nothing wrong with marketing. There's nothing to be ashamed of. There's nothing to hide if you're doing it the right way. And what's the right way to do it? In my view, anyways. We, instead of going for the close, we're going for the truth. We're trying to see if it's a fit. And we are very overt about that agenda. We're very explicit, candid, clear, forthright, frank about that agenda. We're just going for the truth. So then there's nothing to be ashamed of, there's nothing to hide. And because we're not hiding anything, we're actually much more likely to get a positive response. When we get a positive response, we're encouraged. But so many people I know get caught in this this vicious shame spiral. Feel ashamed, hide it. Ooh. Come across as kind of slick, manipulative, desperate maybe. Get busted for that, feel more shame, try to hide it even more. That's not the answer. The answer is not hiding. The answer is actually in revealing. The answer is not in withholding. It's in holding a space for a conversation where two people might wonder about, is this a fit at all? Is there something here? So there you go. I'd love to know actually if you resonate with this, if you've had that shame spiral for yourself in marketing. If you have, please put it in the comments below. And of course, thanks to everyone who's subscribed on my YouTube channel. For those of you who have gotten some great feedback, thanks for those of you who've signed up for the starter kit on my website. Should be a box popping up here with a link to that, but you can go marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit. I'll put a link in the comments below as well. But you can check that out. It's the full footage of my day-long workshop, where my guess is at the end of watching that day-long workshop, you just won't have that same feeling of shame around marketing. You'll see a way to do it that can actually feel better for everybody involved, not just yourself. So there you go. That's it. Thanks so much, everyone.